guys, right here we've got an Enviro 400 MMC from Go Ahead. London Central's railway replacement today. Hybrid cleaner air for London. As you can see right there, it is pretty nice. I love buses in general, so South Eastern Rail Replacement Services to Gravesend. There, Enviro 400 double MMC. It's nice. This is actually basically my favourite bus. Guys, right here we have a truck master. We've got Volvo B19. No, Volvo B7 TL. From Travel Master. So yeah, that's nice. And then guys, right here is my favourite, the Enviro 400. I love this, doors and everything. Huh. Yep, so that's an Enviro 400. Fair enough. And my favourite buses, so